let's work on our colors. Okay, let's work on our colors. The designer has given us the colors, so we need to some sort of save these colors. Okay, I think this is some sort of a bit, not necessarily advanced, but a bit decent way of working. Okay, if we maybe this was just a normal tutorial, we were going to sample colors like this. Okay, and that's it. Or if we want to sample colors from here, we were going to sample colors like this. Okay, let's say, as you can see, this was going to be sufficient, and we're going to continue and finish the design. But I want to give you some sort of decent and useful tips to go about creating a design, so that if somebody comes and asks you to change this color, you don't have to go to your design and change those colors one by one. That's the reason why we are going to do what we are going to do now, meaning that we are going to sample and create some color variables, let's say, so that if we are tomorrow somebody said, can you change maybe this green to blue, we change it in one place and it changes everywhere. So we can only accomplish that by creating some color variables. Okay, so let's do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here and sample this orange. Okay, as you can see, guys, and then I'm going to come here, and then here let me click, this is where I am. Okay, I have sampled the color. Let me click on not on plus, just a moment. This, okay, let me delete this. Let me okay, let me sample this color. My apologies about that. Okay, and then when I'm here, oh, okay, my apologies about that. I want to click here and I want to add the color, as you can see, guys. Okay, add a new color style. Okay, add a new style or variable. Okay, let's do that, guys. So I'm going to name this with capital letters orange. Okay, it's better for me like that, but you can make it small letters. Okay, that means I've got the color orange. So when I use this color anywhere in the design, when I want to change it, I can change it here. So now it's saved as a variable. So what we can do as well, let me copy and paste this. Okay, let me just create another shape. Okay, let me do it like this, and then from there we're going to sample this one, and then we're going to add this as a color style, as you can see, and then let's name this green. Okay, and then create the color style, and then let's take that shape again, another shape. Okay, and then this is black. Okay, come here, and then this is black. Happy with this, and then let's close it here, and then let's go here again. As you can see, guys, some sort of we're just repeating. Okay, and then here let's say this is light gray, save the color style, and lastly we have white. Okay, lastly we have white. Let's see, type here white. Okay, my apologies about that. Press save, then paste white here, and then create a color style. So as you can see, guys, now we've got all our colors. Okay, this also will help us with theming. Okay, let's say you've been asked to have some sort of a light and a dark theme. It means that you can work around these colors and they will change everywhere. Okay, imagine if you've got, like, let's say 100 screens, or let's say a minimum of 50. Okay, and then the client says, can you give me a light and a dark theme? So meaning that what you will do, let's say a simpler way, you will just copy this file and open it in different tabs, and then in the second tab you can play around with your colors to see how dark theme is going to be, and in another tab you can leave the original one and then export the dark one and export the lighter one. At least, guys, it's a decent and an efficient way of working. So save your color styles. Then we are done with that. So what we are going to do, since we are going to sample these colors, okay, So we are going to use these. Okay, it's not like now we can delete these boxes, okay, because we are going to use them. How are we going to use them? Instead of going to Figma and selecting these colors every time, we can just sample from these boxes. Okay, we can just sample from these boxes, then the color that we want will be selected. Example, let's say now we've got this and we want this color. Okay, what we will do, we will just sample it. Okay, as you can see, this is this orange. Okay, let me just double check that. Let's say we want to change this orange. Let me just double check that. My apologies. Let's say we want some settings on this orange. We can go here. Let me first copy this color so that I cannot lose it. Okay, let's say now we are changing it. Okay, as you can see, guys, it only changes here, but it doesn't change here. Okay, meaning that this might not be exactly what we want. Okay, thanks to this experiment. Okay, but let's leave these colors here. Okay, we will use them for something else.